So let's use Rhythmic Steps to create a cool bassline loop. Check this out. Start with 4 on the floor kicks. The higher the value, the more chance it's going to play. So we set it to maximum, it will definitely play. So we've just got a bass line there just playing randomly. But of course we can randomize it anytime we want. Let's get a bit of a hi-hat going. Let's put a roll on a couple of the steps. Now let's go and select random MIDI effect. We're just going to add that now to the bass line there. And the reason we're doing that is because we want to play some different notes. So we just increase the chance of playing different notes here. Now let's just switch off certain notes so we've got a bit more space on the bass line.